Welcome to the video. This is Alex, and we're going to walk through the Ready Adjuster ESX to PDF, PDF to ESX conversion tool. So what you're looking at right now is just the landing page. You go to pdfesx.com, or you can go to app.readyadjuster.com and you can get access to the tool. So once you get to the landing page, you'll see in this spot here will be the video I'm recording right now. And you have a login box. Once you log in, you'll come to this page right here, and it basically will show you the interface for converting a PDF to an ESX, and allow you to get started. It shows you how many credits you have, how many you've used, and some information in regards to the limits on files. You get 400 line items up to 150 megabytes. You can also include F9 notes, and this is one of the fastest tools in the industry that will convert a PDF to an ESX. And it's a pretty simple interface. There's not a lot of stuff going on here. We don't have all the AI things and all the other bells and whistles that some of the other tools have. We just focused on security and speed. So you don't have a password. You'll get an RSX key, which is a little bit more secure than actually having a password that people share or use on other sites, or that can be compromised or probably guessed. An RSX key is a little bit more secure. It's longer. It's more random, and you copy that key down from that page to a file on your computer, and you keep it there. And then when you want to use the tool, you grab that key and you log in with it. You can also rotate the key if it ever gets compromised, or somebody grabs it, or you think that somebody else is using your account. We can take care of that. And other things in terms of storage, or in terms of security, is the storage on here is limited. We don't keep anything on our servers. That helps A, optimize it and keep it fast, and B, we don't have data sitting on our servers that can be potentially accessed if there were to be a breach or a hack. Anything on the internet can be hacked. We use an SSL, we encrypt everything, but all that stuff can still technically be hacked or socially engineered if the human in the loop is a weak point. So let me go ahead and just grab that estimate, drag it on the page. That button turns green to go ahead and click to convert to an ESX, and you simply click that button, and you can see it's converting. Gives you a little progress meter so you can see how far we're going, how much time you have left. And then once it's converted, it will give you line items that the recommendation engine hasn't 100% matched. So generally it's pretty spot on in terms of what the categories are. You can review these selections. You have about 20 minutes, and there's a clock up here to let you know how much time you have to review those selections. You can just kind of eyeball them. If there's something that you want to change, you just click in and change it. If it's good to go, you just hit accept suggestion. If you review all of them and they're all good to go, you just hit the button, and it'll go ahead and continue building that ESX. And then once it's ready to download it, you'll get this download button. And you can see it took 6 seconds to do that ESX. And that one was about 300 line items. So it's pretty quick. 306. It's pretty quick, and it'll go ahead and get that done for you rapidly. And once you have the ESX that you're ready to download, you just click that download button. It tells you when the conversion has been done, so that way you know how much time you have, because like I said, you have an hour to download it, and after that it gets erased. So it's a pretty straightforward tool. It's easy to use. It's the fastest in the industry. We have pretty generous limits on it, so if you use some other tools, you'll see how quick ours is compared to others. And you just click that button. It's going to open up a folder on your desktop to download it. You pick what folder you want to download it in, and you save it. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out. My phone number is on the site, or you can email me.